It's goulash time today. What I did is take one onion, cut it up, and then I took one bell pepper and cut it up. And then I took 1.25 pounds of ground beef. You can see the onions and bell pepper in there. And cooked it in there. And then I drained it, all the grease in that pan there. And we took these noodles and we got our water boiling really good. And after we got our water boiling real good, after cooked them down really good, well then we're gonna drain them. Alrighty, I gotta get in the scraper. Here we go, right here. I'll use this right here to get the excess out. Now when you're boiling these things, you have to stir them every now and then or they'll stick to the bottom of the pot. Now, a few of them stuck anyway. Okay, now then I'm going to take these, go back over here, and add these noodles in there. Alrighty, and there's going to be one good sized can of tomato sauce. Then I'll take this spatula and go around the can to finish cleaning out the can. And then I'm going to take some black pepper. Put off in there. And I'm going to take some salt and kind of make a round or two with it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of garlic, put in there. And then about 3 big squirts of ketchup. And then going to stir it all up really good. And this is going to be some real good tasting goulash here. Begin to turn a little bit red because of the tomato sauce and ketchup. Just remember to stir it up really good, and you may have to come back and put a little salt, more salt and pepper, and a little more garlic or something in it. But there you have it. That's what it is. Let's see if it tastes good. That's perfect. You can catch this recipe at Kelly, K-E-L-L-Y, kellycharlie.com. There'll also be a link to the video there. Y'all be good. Till next time.